If you've ever tried home canning and felt overwhelmed by confusing pressure settings, safety concerns, or bulky equipment that feels harder to use than it should be, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. A lot of pressure canners either feel intimidating for beginners or just way too limited once you start doing larger batches. But this one tries to hit that sweet spot in the middle. Simple enough for first-timers, but capable enough for serious home food preservation too. Today, we're taking a close look at the T-fal 22-quart aluminum pressure canner and seeing whether it actually deserves a spot in your kitchen. This is designed for people who want to safely preserve meats, vegetables, seafood, fruits, jams, and more without spending premium brand money. And honestly, for the price, it offers a surprisingly complete setup. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the first thing that stands out is the size. This thing is big. The 22-quart capacity means you can process large batches without constantly restarting the whole canning cycle. If you grow your own vegetables, buy produce in bulk, or meal prep for a family, that extra room makes a real difference. It holds multiple jars comfortably, and the included racks help keep everything organized and stable during processing. The polished aluminum body gives it that classic old-school canning look, but doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. It's lightweight compared to stainless steel models, which actually makes handling it less stressful, especially when it's full. The handles feel secure, the lid locks firmly into place, and overall, it gives off a reassuring this should last for years kind of vibe. It's also nice that aluminum heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly, because inconsistent heat is one of the most frustrating parts of home canning. What I really like here is that T-fal didn't overcomplicate the controls. Some pressure canners feel like you need a manual and a chemistry degree just to get started. Here, the gauge is easy to read. The steam release system is beginner-friendly, and the pressure settings are straightforward enough that most people could figure it out pretty quickly after one or two uses. That matters because confidence is a huge part of home canning, especially for beginners worried about safety. In real-world use, this canner handles daily kitchen routines surprisingly well. It reaches pressure without taking forever, maintains heat consistently, and doesn't demand constant adjustment once everything is dialed in. Noise levels are pretty reasonable, too. You'll obviously hear steam and pressure activity, but it's not obnoxiously loud or alarming. Cleaning is also simpler than expected. The smooth aluminum interior wipes down easily, and because there aren't a bunch of complicated components, maintenance feels manageable even if you're new to canning. Now, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of things worth mentioning. Since it's aluminum, you do have to be a little more careful about scratches and long-term cosmetic where compared to stainless steel models. It's also not compatible with every modern cooktop, especially induction stoves, so that's something you absolutely want to double-check before buying. And while the included guide is helpful, complete beginners may still want to watch a few tutorials before jumping into pressure canning low-acid foods for the first time. Compared to other pressure canners around this price range, this one sits in a really interesting spot. Premium brands like Presto and All-American often get more attention, but they can also cost significantly more depending on the model. The T-fal gives you most of the functionality the average home user actually needs without making the experience feel overly technical or expensive. If you're a hardcore canning enthusiast doing huge weekly batches year-round, you might eventually outgrow it and want something more heavy-duty. But for beginners, casual home preservers, or families trying to reduce food waste and save money, this feels like a very practical middle ground option. At the end of the day, the biggest strength of this canner is how approachable it feels. It takes something that can seem complicated and makes it far less intimidating. You still need to follow safe canning practices, of course, but this helps simplify the process in a way that feels realistic for everyday people. If you've been thinking about getting into home canning or upgrading from a smaller setup, this is definitely one worth considering. If you want to check current pricing or availability, the link is down in the description. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.